Sending money to your bank account from Dasher Direct is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. To send money to your bank account directly, you have to follow my steps. Now, we will discuss how to make this transaction successful. First of all, log in to your Dasher Direct account. Then, click on the Transfer tab. And after that, select the Bank Transfer option. Now, enter the amount you want to transfer. Right after that, enter the details of your bank account. Lastly, click Submit to complete the process. Dasher Direct is a payment system designed for DoorDash drivers, allowing them to receive their earnings more quickly. If you wish to send money from your Dasher Direct account to your personal bank account, please keep in mind that Dasher Direct may have specific rules and policies regarding transfers and withdrawals, so it's essential to review their terms and conditions. If you encounter any issues or have questions about transferring funds, it's best to contact Dasher support through the app or website for assistance.